Hello, everyone. In this video, we will introduce data field encapsulation. Making data fields private protects data and makes the class easy to maintain. So from now on, we will make all the data fields private unless there are some special situation, and very rarely you'll do it. So why are we doing this? Make it private. Make it private is to encapsulate data from being accidentally modified, and also makes your class easy to modify and maintain. So let's look at this class here. The circle class. We're going to make this radius private, and we'll make a number of objects private. So the only way you can modify radius is to use the set radius method. And this number of objects is not modifiable. The only way to change it is from the constructor. Whenever you construct a new circle object and you increase the number of objects by 1. And so there's one method you can use. You want to see the number of objects, you use the get number of objects method. So why it makes it the class easy to modify? Because look here, the set radius. Now, for example, we don't want the user to set a negative radius. You can make some changes in the implementation of the set radius method. You can say this. This is the set radius. It's public void set radius. It is double new radius. If radius is greater than or equal to 0, so we're going to change the radius using new radius. Otherwise, we're going to have to set it to 0. So this is the new implementation. Now, please recall that in the early implementation, we simply assign new radius to radius. So now we make this change. So with this change, your client program that invokes the set radius will not be changed. It's the same. It does not affect other programs that uses the circle class. So this makes the system easy to maintain, easy to modify. We make all the data fields private, so we provide the get method if we want the client to read the data field. So this is right here. It's we provide the get method. And the naming convention is get property name. So this is the method. You use the normal way, the convention to name the method. The first word is lowercase, and all the subsequent word, the first letter is capitalized. Now, if this property is a Boolean property, by convention, we're going to use is property name. And this is set. Property name is always, it's a void. Now let's write a test program right here. This is the circle, creating a circle. And now we're going to get the radius of the circle is my circle dot get radius. So please note that you cannot use radius anymore because it's private. So you have to use get radius. And this is to increase my circle's radius by 10%. So this is my circle dot radius by 10%. Now, please watch, this is incorrect. You cannot do this, that's right here. And 10% is increased by 10% is times 110. So this one right here, this is wrong because it's private, radius is private. So you have to use this, set radius. And this is my circle dot radius times 110. And this has to be get radius. And this is the method. The number of objects created. So now you're going to use circle dot get number of objects because number of objects is private. From now on, all data fields should be declared private and all constructors and methods should be defined public unless specified otherwise. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.